Hey guys, it's Saturday at the shop and we're working on a bag bracket setup for DGM. They have the car across the street at Driver's Gallery. It's an Audi S7. Alex put the bags on it and they have height sensors that we need to make brackets for. So I just designed some last night and I 3D printed them out, and so now we're going to check them out and see if they work. And so here's the front so far. Our idea is to use this little kind of plastic bracket thing. This would be on the driver's side, and if you're looking at the wheel, it would be oriented like this. And we were going to make a bracket that goes right here, and then the Airlift sensor would get mounted on this tab. So obviously this is 3D printed right now. The metal version would be welded at that corner. So let's go check them out and see if they work.
Zip this real quick and then we'll get the car up.
Cool. How are we looking?
It's in the way.
Yeah, so I gotta adjust that one too. But I'll notch that hole a little bit and bring it down.
Like here. Let me see if I can just cut it for right now.
Is it working?
It might.
Well, yeah, we just keep notching it.
Well, she's notched.
Even though you can see, yeah, that's a lot better than it was. But it's just the angle. Like the angle of where the sensor's going to be at. I don't know how I want to change that.
I think this needs to come out farther. Like that. To another.
Okay, so it looks like in the back we need to notch the part a little more to make way for that sway bar, and then I also need to bring the height sensor bracket up a little bit just so it's straight. So that won't be too bad. On the fronts, I actually want to mount the bracket behind the plate so that I don't have to notch it where the plastic part is. And then I'm also going to flip the height sensor upside down. And I also have to notch that for the brake line. So just doing some R&D, figuring this out, and we'll see how that pans out. And I got those parts in the printers now, so in a few hours we'll be able to see if those worked. That's going to be the rear one. As you can see, I made a bigger slot for the sway bar and moved up where the sensor would be at. So this guy's going to print the front and we'll see if it works. Now, you saw when I was across the street at Driver's Gallery, I was just kind of taking some shots of some things that were going on in the shop. And one thing that Alex was working on was the head for this car he's rebuilding. It's an A4 2011. And he's going to try to get it running today, so that'll be cool. Another thing you guys might be interested in knowing about is the Porsche, and that's right here. I'm not sure where I left off on this guy, but I dug into this inner rocker a lot more. And if I could scoot this. So right here you can see on this A-pillar I tried to drill out all these spot welds. And right here on the inner fender is actually the first spot that I've been trying to get the rust out of. Oh hey.
There's a dog.
Alright, the guys are at the shop. We're cutting stuff. Come check it out. Hey. So that's a polisher holder. And that's a finished one. We're trying V2. Sir. Hello. Hello. So it looks like we gotta take some material out and actually add some material back in. To clear the sway bar. What's going on in here?
What's going on, guys?
What's up? What are you making? Oh man, that looks cool.
Bottle holder.
Yeah, we sell those. Sam, what's the deal?
Oh, I don't know. Did you quit? Dude, I think he quit.
Yeah, I quit. So we have a 2.0 turbo in here that is getting a full head job done. It's looking fantastic.
Yeah, man. Start it up.
There's no head.
Here, take it so I can stop this clip. Alright guys, that's going to do it for this video. Hope you enjoyed it. Stay tuned for what we finish on those air ride brackets. I'll post that on Instagram. And you guys have a good night.
Please like, comment, subscribe, and we'll see you in the next video.
Peace.
Boom.